Hello everybody. This is the intro to the wood cutting video. I'm actually out collecting sap. It's the second night. It's Monday night. So I cut wood on Saturday evening and Sunday morning, but I did not do an intro to it. So this is it. Intro to the wood cutting video. I cut not much, man. I felled that one tree. You'll see I felled the tree. Whacked that up, but at times the snow was 6 inches over my knees. For an old guy like me, man, that can get tiresome. It's a great workout, great workout, but that can wear on you after a while. So tonight I'm just out getting sap. It's not as warm today as it was yesterday, so I got 15 gallons tonight, but yesterday I got 35 gallons. But there's probably, I think, about a 10-degree temperature difference. I think it's 36 right now, and it was about 45 yesterday, so that's why. But I have 50 gallons, in 2 days, so pretty good start to the season. When I get 350, I'll actually do a boil. So waiting for 350. Got to try out my reverse osmosis system. I've never done that before. I'll show you that process. But that'll be cool. So, hey, get to the wood cutting. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Best subscribers and watchers in the world, man. Like, subscribe if you wish, please. Comment, too. Love getting back to people. Thank you very much. Start cutting wood. Make some sawdust, I used to like to say. See ya. All right. Time to go in and eat, Lori says. So I gotta head in. Probably ran 3/4 of a tank of gas, but I figured out what we're gonna do for tomorrow. If you see that leaner right there, that one right there, that baby's gonna get felled. It's not gonna hit too many maples or pines or anything, so got a pretty clear shot to drop her. I'm gonna drop it. It should lay on top of the snow and I can cut it. A lot of this other stuff, like this one, you get down there, that thing's underneath the snow. That one over there I was just cutting on, once you get down that end of it, it's under the snow. So I'm just going to wait until the snow comes off of those. There's another big dead tall oak right there from oak wilt. If I have to drop that one, I'll drop that one. I just don't know which way it's going to go. But I'll figure out 1 or 2 more to drop, lay them on top of the snow, and start whacking on them. That's going to be the thing to do tomorrow. Tomorrow the agenda is cut trees, cut wood, grab sap. That's my agenda. Well, good morning everybody. Sunday morning. A bunch of editing last night, watched some high school basketball championships. Time to go out and fell that tree I talked about last night. I'm going to knock that baby down and cut it up, then I'm done for the day. Might go get some sap. I'll check the sap buckets out when I'm out there right now, see how full they are. Looks like it's going to cool down this week, so I won't be getting too much sap, I don't think, but we'll see. Going to head out in the woods right now, drop that tree, cut her up, and come on in. I got other stuff to do, prep work for bringing the sap in, so I'll show you that when the time comes. All right, into the woods I go. Another beautiful day, sunny day, perfect day. Been waiting for these. All right, so back and made it out in the woods. As I showed you last evening, here's the leaner I'm going to take down. Take that baby down right now. She's leaning good. So I'll drop it there. I'm going to drop it right down there on top of those ones. I don't want to hit my maple syrup sacks over there. The only one I might take out is that maple right there, but either I take it out or Mother Nature takes her out. So I'm going to knock her down, cut her up. That'll be it for the day. There's another really big one right here. That baby right there is nice. But that one I think is going to come right back at me, so I'll wait for that one to maybe come down on its own. But I'm going to take that down right now. I'll show you. Alright, there's a little bit of sap in that bag. Not enough to even come back here and get, but a little bit of sap. I'm just going to cut the 10 feet of that one up, and then I'm done. This snow is getting too soft, and it's kicking my ass walking through it. Whew. Sometimes it's easier to be on my knees so I don't fall through than it is to stand up it and fall through it, try and pull myself out of it. So we'll get this little 10-foot section cut up, and I'm done for the day as far as cutting goes, I think. So that was a hell of a lot of hard work. Man, that snow was deep. But while I was driving my way back to the house, I saw some. I hadn't seen it before. I hadn't been paying attention maybe. Or maybe the snow melted off of it, but I got my next tree. I'll show you. Check that bad boy out right there. Already on the ground. Snow's melting off of it. Should get almost all of it. The other ends, the other ends all melted, so pretty close to the trail. I can get back in there with my trailer and drag all that out. That's my next victim right there, I can tell you that right now. So looking good, good to head in, do some stuff around the house, and get ready for maple syrups. Get ready for maple syrup, so that's what I'm going to do now. Get a couple barrels set up. Got a new RO, reverse osmosis system I'll show you. That'll be really cool to work with. Save me half the time of evaporating, so I'll talk to you about that when I start using it and tell you who I bought it from and stuff. So, alright. This is the end of the wood cutting video. Pretty short, pretty sweet, but deep snow. I always love felling trees, as long as they don't get hung up, like you've seen me do before. So thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Subscribe, like if you want. Comment. Love to hear comments. I don't know why my chainsaw kept killing back there. Maybe I need a new spark plug. I haven't changed the spark plug in about 3 years, so that's probably it. But that's the wood cutting video for this weekend. Number 1, tapping trees, 132 taps. Number 2, pork butt. Number 3, cutting wood. So lived up to my expectations. It's still early on Sunday. Lounge with Lori this afternoon. And get some maple syrup stuff ready. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. Appreciate it very much. See you in the next video.